Insect Newick review of Rossini et al. 2022 phylogeny of dung beetles. Zipped file in the appendix S4 and S5. And here's the tree I've used, which looks like this. Not too big. One odd thing you notice immediately, most of them have all the genus name and species. Genus names will be left off these. Some genus starting with the letter O. Figure out what this is. Look, and it's in the supplemental table. You see these are all from the genus Archacanthum. So that's the main thing. Well, not too difficult to swap these for the full names. One other thing I did is one. There's a lot of species ambiguous stuff in here, and there's only one I actually want to retain. This is the only representative of this genus, and the ID is a bit of a repeat, really. It's Paraphytus SP_SP157. Normally you'd only write SP once, plus as it's the only representative, code don't really need that, so I'll change that terminal ID to Paraphytus SP, and that's only the only changes I've made. So about 24 non-binomials, but most of these have virtually all these have congeners, and I've just pruned most of these. For the species IDs, in the absence of a species name, immediately I recognize this one. This is a pretty standard code used by the Natural History Museum in London, so this is fair enough. This is fine to use this. So similarly, I'll assume this is from a specific institution. So these codes do actually give some information on the origin. So these vouchers could probably be tracked down if needed. Anyway, most of these were pruned, and we have the result. Not too big. About 60 species. So you always need to check the orientation of the tree. And it's a very poor. Surprised the print. There's very low resolution figure here. I can barely read these, but it seems to be about right anyway. So scarab phylogeny, 19 genera, 60 terminals after pruning the terminals which cannot be integrated, and job done.